Good morning to all of you, dear students. I, Jaya Kumari, welcome you all in online class. As we have revised all the chapters one by one in EVS, now we are coming near the half-yearly exam. Almost all question answers we have revised again. Today, I will tell you the pattern of the exam and revision of the objective type question which are going to come in exam. Dear students, in half yearly exam there will be 10 MCQ question, that is 10 multiple choice question and 10 fill in the blanks, 10 true false, and then 5 one word answer will be there. All the questions will be of 40 marks. Total marks will be 40. So just revise once. You have done everything and nothing to worry. I will revise you one by one everything in objective type questions also. Just see the picture. There are some fill in the blanks. Our house keeps us. Dear students, you have studied this chapter. Now you have to write down what will be the correct answer. Our house keeps us safe. A house made of straw and bamboo is called a kacha house. People living along river banks or in the lakes live in a houseboat. People living along the river banks or in the lakes live in a houseboat. We welcome our guest in the dash room, in living room. A house made up of solid snow is an igloo. A house made of solid snow is an igloo. Name the different rooms in your house where you can entertain your guest, take a bath, sleep, eat your meal, entertain your guest. Living room, take a bath, washroom, sleep, bedroom, eat your meals, dining room. You have done all these. Today just I am revising. Now everybody has got books also. You don't have any problem of books. We should clean our house every day. Yes, correct. Garbage should be thrown on the road or in the streets. Garbage should be thrown on the road or in the street? Wrong. This is wrong. Garbage should be thrown on the dustbin, in the dustbin. Yes, not on the road or street. Wash basin and toilet must be cleaned properly. Yes, this is correct. We must keep our clothes and toys at proper place. Yes, correct. Now, here are some fill in the blanks. You have to fill this. You have to practice this. A dash delivers letters to our house. Postman. The color of the letter box is red. There are different books in our school library. Yes, students, we see many different books in our school library. School library. The dash and dash take care of patients in the hospital. The doctors and nurses take care of patients in the hospital. We buy stamps from the post office. We buy pencils and erasers from the stationery shop. The dash helps to control traffic. The traffic police helps to control traffic. Name the following people. Now you have to answer in one word. She teaches us. Teacher. He sells medicines. Chemist. He controls the traffic. Traffic police. She looks after the patients. Nurse. Dear student, these are the things you have to revise only. You have done it already. Everybody has done, I know. Alright, student. Thank you, everyone. Get prepared for half yearly exam. All the best. Thank you. Have a nice day, children.